everyone. Thought of a day. Stop being a prisoner of your past. Become the architect of your future. Stop being a prisoner of your past. Become the architect of your future. A man walking through an elephant camp, and he noticed that the elephant were only secured with a small rope that was tied around his ankle. He wondered why the elephant didn't break free from the rope, as the elephant were certainly strong enough. He asked the trainer why the elephants didn't try to break free, and the trainer responded by saying that they used the same size rope for baby elephant all the way up to adulthood. They grow up being conditioned that the rope is stronger than they are. As adults, they think the rope can still hold them, so they don't try to fight it. If you go through life thinking that you can't do something just because you have failed at doing it in the past, you are living in fixed mindset. You have to let go of your limits in order to make the breakthrough that are required for your ultimate success. So stop being a prisoner of your past, become the architect of your future. Thank you. Have a great day.